Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2016 VW Polo Match. This car comes with the 1.2 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez Compliant, returning up to 60 miles to the gallon, so really good running costs. This is a two-owner vehicle, having covered just over 54,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour, which was a factory option, is called the Metallic Nimbus Grey and it's in good condition, 30 mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, a nice clean interior, typical VW quality seats there, so really hard-wearing fabric and nice and comfortable on a long journey. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple CarPlay, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then this car also has air conditioning. And then on the driver's door card there, you have your electric mirror and full window controls. Being the 5-door version of the Polo, got a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back for a small hatchback. Nice wide door opening too. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and it's good to see the car's got the carpet floor mats from VW still too. Opening the tailgate on Polo reveals a good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. You also have the adjustable floor, which is at its highest point at the moment, so you can hide bits and pieces underneath, but you can lower it completely to give you a few extra useful inches. And below that floor, you also have your spare wheel, so that's great to see. Externally, the car comes with front and rear parking sensors and also the alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance a car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.